Dear students, now we'll see the answers for those questions. Okay, for FA1 model paper for class 8th mathematics. The first question, which of the following is not a rational number? So we all know that rational number means that which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So 2025 can be written as 2025 by 1, hence it is a rational number. 2025 by 20.25. 20.25 also can be expressed as p by q form, so hence it will be rational number. Now non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals, make it as non-terminating repeating decimals, can be expressed in the form of p by q. So non-terminating non-recurring decimals we cannot express in the form of p by q, hence the answer is D. Now so the second question, which of the following rational numbers lie between 2 by 5 and 8 by 5? So in between any two rational numbers there exist infinite rational numbers, that we all know. But here in between 2 by 5 and 8 by 5, which of the following can lie? So in that case, you see the 4 by 10, the first option A. 2 by 5 is multiplied with 2, then it becomes 4 by 10. So that is not lying between 2 by 5 and 8 by 5. So hence suppose if you multiply both the fractions with 3, both numerator and denominator, then 2 by 5 becomes 6 by 15, 8 by 5 becomes 24 by 15. Hence 26 by 15 does not lie between 2 by 5 and 8 by 5. Now look at the other option, 7 by 20. So multiply both the fractions by 4, both numerator and denominator. 4 2s are 8 by 20, 4 8s are 32 by 20. So 8 by 20, 32 by 20. That means that 7 by 20 does not lie between both the rational numbers. Hence the option is the 7, the last one. That is 39 by 25. If you multiply both numerator and denominator with 5, both the fractions, then it becomes 10 by 25, 40 by 25. Hence 39 by 25 lies between 2 by 5 and 8 by 5. So option D is the right answer. Now look, go into the third question. Which of the following is true? In the set of rational numbers, multiplication is distributive over subtraction. Multiplication is distributive over subtraction. That's correct. A of b minus c can be written as a minus b into a minus c. Sorry, ab minus ac. A into b minus a into c. Followed, a of b minus c can be written as a into b minus a into c. So multiplication is distributive over subtraction. That's correct. Rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is false. Under division it is not closed. Every rational number has a multiplicative inverse. This is also false because 0 has no multiplicative inverse. Numbers in the form p by q, where p comma q are integers, are called rational numbers. So hence here condition is not completed, where q should not be equal to 0, that is not mentioned. Hence we say this is also false. So the first option A is true. Next, coming to the next question, the product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Is dash property of rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number is dash property. What property? It is called closure property. Closure property, hence the option D. Now question number 5. How many rational numbers are multiplicative inverses to themselves? So there are two rational numbers, 1 and minus 1 itself. So 1 and minus 1 are multiplicative inverses to themselves. So option C is the right answer. Here someone has ticked that B option. That's not correct. C is the right answer. That means two numbers are there. Which of the following is a solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. Whenever it is given like that, then you can solve the question or you can substitute the values. If the question is very big, you substitute the values in the given equation on both sides, right and left hand side. Now 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. If minus 3, that means 2x must be 8. 8 minus 3 is 5, we know. So therefore 2x should be 8. That means x must be 4. So D option correct. Next, number of solutions for linear equation ax plus b is equal to c, where a comma b comma c are rational numbers. How many solutions? So ax plus b equal to c is the linear equation in first degree. First variable, one variable in first degree. So it will have only one solution. Okay, so that's B option is correct. Next, which of the following is the solution of x is equal to 4 by 5 of x plus 10? So for this also, you send this 5 to transpose to left hand side. That becomes 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. Then 4x transpose to left hand side. 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. That means x is equal to 40. So option D is the right answer. Next, age of a man is 5 years less than thrice his son's age. Which of the following represents the above statement? Age of a man is 5 years less than thrice his son's age, which is x. So 3x. 3x minus 5. Option A is the right answer. In which of the following diagonals are equal? Which of the following diagonals are equal? See the rhombus, diagonals need not be equal. Kite need not be equal. Parallelogram need not be equal. Isosceles trapezium. That is the correct option. So option D is the right answer, where in an isosceles trapezium diagonals are equal. Next we will move on to the question number 11. In the question number 11, in which of the following diagonals are perpendicular? In a rectangle, option A, diagonals need not be perpendicular. Parallelogram need not be perpendicular. Kite, the diagonals are perpendicular. Isosceles trapezium, no. So option C is the right answer. So 12th one, which of the following is a regular polygon? Which of the following is a regular polygon? Regular polygon means all sides are equal, all angles are equal. Equiangular, equilateral, equilateral, equiangular. That is a regular polygon. So here rhombus no, parallelogram no, rectangle no, square. All sides are equal, all angles are equal. So hence option D is the right answer. Next, coming to the question number 13. The number of diagonals in a convex polygon of 9 sides is 9 sides means number of diagonals n into n minus 3 by 2. 9 into 9 minus 3 by 2. That means 9 into 6 by 2. 9 3 is 27. Option C is the right answer. So the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon of 8 sides. Sum of exterior angles for any sided polygon is 360, that we know. But it is asking sum of interior angles of 8 sides. That's also we have a formula. N minus 2 into 180. N minus 2 into 180. N is the number of sides. Here 8 sides, so 8 minus 2. So you make it as 6 into 180. That is gives you 1080. 8 in 6 are 108. 1080 degrees. That is option D. Next, the last one in the option based questions. A regular polygon in which the interior angle is double to the exterior angle. So equilateral triangle is a regular polygon in which the interior angle is 60, exterior angle is 120. So interior angle is half the exterior angle. So exterior angle is double. But we want interior angle should be double to the exterior angle. So leave that one. Next, B, square. Square interior angle, each interior angle 90, hence each exterior angle is also 90. So here you can notice that the point that where exterior angle is equal to interior angle, that is the square. Now we want double. Pentagon? No. Hexagon. In a hexagon, the total angle is 720. Okay. So 4 into 180. Hence here each angle is 120 degrees, the exterior angle will be 60 degrees. So interior angle is double to the exterior angle. So option D is the right answer. So this is how we have finished this 15 multiple choice questions. And in another video I'll make the subjective questions also. You can please follow that also. I'll update that one after this. Okay. Thank you for watching. I wanted to give you the ideas about the subject. So this will be useful for any class, because if I am updating it to 9th class or 10th class, they also should know it, because lower classes maths must be known by the other students. So this can be applicable for any class. So if possible, suppose it is given to you, you are in a higher grade, you just once look at there, what the subject, what is the matter, whether should I know or not, whether do I know or not, that you can follow. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to VY Maths, that gives you different ideas about mathematical problems. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Prepare well for your exams. All the best. Everyone should get 100% marks in the exam.